Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Open Chrome and check settings about Chrome so you run the latest build, because updates patch ad exploits. Once done, go to Site Settings and enable the pop-ups and redirects blocker. This stops many intrusive ads immediately. Then open Extensions and disable or remove anything unfamiliar. Malicious or poorly coded extensions inject ads. Do this now so the next steps target page settings and not noisy add-ons. Keep moving. You're already blocking the easiest ad sources. Next, prevent sites from pushing ads via notifications. Go to Site Settings, Notifications, and block or remove any site that you didn't subscribe to. These are common ad vectors. Then tackle extensions more thoroughly. Uninstall ad-injecting add-ons and add a known content blocker for robust filtering. You can also block JavaScript selectively on sites that keep serving ads despite blockers. This reduces functionality, but stops ads. Make sure to test a page after each change so you can identify which action fixed the issue. To finish, clear cache and cookies to remove ad trackers and stale scripts. Choose all time if the problem is long-standing. If issues remain, reset Chrome settings or create a fresh profile to eliminate hidden configuration problems. Enable enhanced safe browsing for better protection going forward. One key troubleshooting tip. If ads continue after these steps, run a malware and antivirus scan. Malicious software often injects ads outside the browser, so cleaning the system is essential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.